Hi, kids. So today we're going to read a book called Just a Baby Bird by Mercer Mayer. There's a picture of the mama and the kids feeding the baby bird some worms because they like worms. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear peep, peep, peep. Peep, peep, peep. Looks like Daddy's trimming the tree. Kids are playing in the yard. They hear peep, peep, peep. We find a baby bird. But where is the mama bird? We look. Dad helps. We do not find the mama bird. There they are. They're finding the bird right there. Looking high and low for the mama bird. Oh my goodness. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We are so very careful. But the baby bird hops away. I think he's a little scared, right? He doesn't know them. Dad pokes holes in a box. He carefully catches the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, says Dad. There he is, poking the holes in the box. Looks like a shoebox. And puts it over the bird. They're being very careful. We look high in the trees. We look low in the bushes. We look everywhere. We do not find a nest, but Dad gets stuck in a tree. Uh-oh. They think that's pretty funny. Their dad got stuck in the tree. It's pretty funny. We make a little nest, and if the mama bird is near, she will feed her baby. We hide and wait. The baby bird peeps and peeps. No mama bird comes. Everybody's watching, even the little mouse. He's on a little branch there underneath the baby bird, waiting for the mama. The baby bird must be hungry. Mom searches online to find the right food. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. Sure looks like she's feeding him worms to me. They're hiding under the table. We make a bed for the baby bird in an old fish tank. He is safe. Dad puts a towel over the tank. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say, "Good night, baby bird." Tucking him in. A bird in a fish tank. Day after day, the baby bird grows bigger and bigger. Our baby bird is so big. Dad says, "Baby bird is too big. I built a birdhouse. Maybe our bird will stay." How big he's getting. And there's his birdhouse up on a pole. We open the tank outside. Our baby bird flies away. Where will he go? I ask. Some birds fly south for the winter, says Mom. Maybe our bird will be back. There he goes, flying away. They look so sad. Summer ends, fall ends too, winter comes. I always look for our bird. Summer, fall, and winter. What comes next? Why, spring, of course. Spring is here. I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run to see. What do you think it is? They all look pretty excited. Our bird sits on the birdhouse. He is much bigger now. Look, I say, our bird has a family too. How cool is that? Look at that. He brought his family back. He was just a baby bird. Now he is grown up with a baby bird of his own. Aww. So that was a good story. It had a good ending. I hope everyone was having a good day. I just want to say hi to Sawyer, Adelaide Jane, Waylon, Josie and Justin, Stella, Luca, Hazel. Nighty night.